Hello! On this project, I'm going to show you how to make a crab. So we're going to draw it first with the pencil, and then we're going to use a Sharpie to outline it. So we're going to start with an oval shape, just like this, like an egg shape. Then we're going to go up, we're going to do the claws, or the hands. You can call them whatever you want. Okay, and then going on the other side. The same thing. Then we're going to do the eyes, so 2 lines. And then 2 circles. Then we're going to move on to the legs. So we're going to do 3 legs on each side. So see how they bend? So it's like 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's go on the inside and repeat the same line. And then at the end it's like a triangle. So just repeat the same shape 3 times. Okay? And then let's move on to the other side. So pay attention to the space that I'm leaving here between the claws and the leg. So I'm leaving about this much space. Let's go up. And then on the inside, and then a little triangle here. Go up. Just like that. And then for the last leg, I'm going to make this a bit smaller. A little triangle here. Usually I use Sharpies to define the line. So after you guys draw it with the pencil, you can use a Sharpie if you'd like to. So I'm going to start one more time. So outline it. Just follow the line. And then going up to the eyes. Now the purpose is why we're doing this with, or why I'm doing this with Sharpie. It's because I like Sharpie. You can see the lines. They're very nice and strong. But if you do not have a Sharpie, that's fine. You don't have to. I simply like them because I can see the line better. So we're just going to outline everything here. And then for the color, I'm going to choose red on mine. But you guys can choose whatever color you want. And for this project, I'm using thin paper. So if you have thick paper, like watercolor paper, you can use that. I'm just using a simple thin paper here. And then let's go on the other side here. Some crabs, I've seen them, actually few of them. They're different colors. You can find them red, blue, brown. So you guys can use whatever color you want. Alright, and then I'm going to do the eyes. So let's make a big circle on the inside. Just like that. And then I am going to do my red or magenta. I like this color. So I'm going to use the same color for the whole body, but if you want, you can certainly change it. For example, you can do a different color for the body and then a lighter one for the legs. So I might do that. I might change my mind. So let's start with the body first. So see how I'm going up and down? And then notice there is white spaces in there. That's fine. We're going to come back and fill those white spaces. Just like that. I always come back and fill what was left previously, so you can always come back to it. All right, and then let's move on to the claws. And the eyes first here, and then let's do the claws. Now you guys can always follow the black line. See how I follow the line and then just fill it on the inside. Sometimes I find this easy. So follow the black line. The same thing on the other side. See how I'm outlining it with red right now? And then it's easy for me to fill it up on the inside. Okay, so for the legs, let's change the color a little bit. Maybe orange would look nice, or purple would look nice too. Let's see, I have different kind of purples here. I think I like purple. So I'm choosing a different color for the legs. Simply because I like color. And sometimes I like to play with different kind of colors. But if you guys want to keep it the same, you can keep it the same. Or if you want to do different colors, different for the clothes and different for the legs here, you can do that also. So just follow the line like we did it before. So trace it with the color and then fill it on the inside. So trace and then fill it on the inside. I think it's faster that way. Sometimes I've seen kids, they use different colors for each leg. So one leg it's yellow, one it's blue, one it's green. You can do that. It's up to you. If you want to see the world that way, go for it. There's nothing wrong. And then I'm going to use a bit of blue here for the water. Usually crabs are on the water, but most of the time you would see them in the sand. And I've seen a few of them actually in the sand where they make holes and then they go inside. How about, I just got an idea. We're going to do, or I am going to do brown. So let's say if this is under the water, so it's a bit of brown at the bottom. So we're going to do some lines. And then I'm going to go up with blue. So let's say our crab is coming out from the sand and then it's going up in the water. So let's do some patterns here. I usually like to play with lines and patterns, different shapes. So I'm just doing some lines, straight lines. Another way is you can just do curvy lines like that. And this is our sand. I'm just going to do a few curvy lines. And then you can do some straight ones. If you guys have any other options in mind, you can always go for it. You can always do whatever you feel like it, whatever comes in your mind. If you want to scribble, you can scribble. You can do different kind of lines. So see how my lines are changing here? So I'm going up and down here. So up and down, like that. And then here before I went straight and then I went this way, right? So I'm just using different lines. Just play with it, be creative. And let's go up. We're going to do water. So blue. Let's make some waves. Let's go up. So see how I'm changing the line here? So I'm just going to go up like this. All right, and then let's make some bubbles. So circles. Because in the water sometimes you'll see air, you'll see bubbles, because they're going to blow air under the water, right? So sometimes you can see bubbles in there. And if you guys want to make some bubbles under on top, we can make some circles also, right here. Let's go around and around like that. And then in the water, if you also want to make some lines in the blue, yes, we can do that. Let's make some waves. If you have another blue, you can use another blue. Let's see, what other options do I have here? I have this light blue, so I can use this one. You guys don't have to cover every single thing, all the space. So just go here and there. Just like that. Now for the eyes, I think I'm going to leave those white. What do you guys think? Or we can color them. So with the same color we can, or we can leave them white. I think for now I'm just going to leave them the way they are. But if you guys want to color them, you can certainly do that. Alright guys, looking forward to seeing the next project. Thank you for being here with me. Bye-bye.